Congratulations on receiving your new EVD-1 from Hoffman. To get started with your machine, first carefully cut the tape lining the top edges of the box, keeping fingers and hands clear of any blades or scissors. Next, unfold the top flaps of the box. Remove the manual and warranty information and set aside for later reference. Next, remove the foot pedal component and plastic base package from the top of the box. Now, remove the protective cardboard insert from the top by pulling straight up and carefully keeping components from catching the cardboard on the way out. Finally, using the handle of the machine, pull straight up. The protective cardboard on the feet of the machine may come out with it. Once clear of the box, set the cardboard and box aside for safekeeping. Now that you've unboxed your EVD-1 and placed it where you intend to use it, we can set it up for the first use. Once you've removed all the packaging from any components included with the machine, place your EVD-1 on its side and unscrew the shipping legs from the bottom of the machine, replacing each one with an included plastic base. Be sure to keep the bases lower than the component on the bottom of the machine so that it can stand level on your working surface without causing any damage to the component. Next, plug the foot pedal component into the connector on the front of the machine, securing the locking mechanism before placing the foot pedal on the floor. Now you can plug the EVD-1 power cable into any standard power source. Next, carefully screw the nozzle into the receiver located on the top of the machine, avoiding cross-threading. You should be able to tighten firmly without forcing it. After removing the pressure cap from the top of the machine, pour distilled water into the machine and replace the pressure cap, firmly tightening it until the freewheel engages and you're unable to tighten any further. Now, press each power button and confirm that the green light is on. Once the yellow light turns on in a few minutes, the machine will be ready for use. Finally, turn your machine so the nozzle clears the working surface and push the foot pedal to produce steam. Once your steaming task is complete, wait a few minutes and the EVD-1 will be ready to go again. For more help getting started and regular cleaning and maintenance tips, see a list of important resources in the video description below and enjoy your EVD-1.